our architectural harvest family and interior design enthusiasts. Just saw that transformation, right? Curious about the secret to getting from that chaos to this calm? If your kitchen, maybe someday items are making you feel overwhelmed, or if you're tired of digging for that one pan while trying to make coffee, then this video is for you. Kitchens are the heart of our homes, but they can also be the quickest to get messy. We constantly acquire new gadgets, old recipes pile up, and cabinets just overflow. But what if there was a way to not just get rid of clutter, but to create a kitchen that truly sparks joy for you? That's exactly where the KonMari Method comes in. Today, we're going to dive deep into how to bring Marie Kondo's unique philosophy into our kitchens, step by step. Part 1. Marie Kondo's kitchen philosophy. Why KonMari in the kitchen? The core principle. Does it spark joy? Marie Kondo suggests holding each item and asking if it brings you joy. In the kitchen, this isn't just about an emotional connection, it's also about functionality and frequency of use. What does this mean for your kitchen? Think about those just-in-case gadgets you never touch, expired spices, or duplicate serving spoons. Are they truly serving you now? Organize by category, not by location. A cornerstone of the KonMari Method is to gather items by category, not by where they currently live. So, collect all your cutlery, all your pots and pans in one spot to start. This helps you see exactly what you own and lets you identify unnecessary duplicates. Part 2. Applying the KonMari Method to kitchen items. Step 1. Take everything out. By category. Food storage containers. Gather all your containers and match them with their lids. Cooking utensils, spatulas, ladles, whisks, etc. Cookware. Pots, pans, baking dishes. Food items. Pantry, fridge. For the pantry, dried goods, canned goods, spices, snacks, breads, supplements. For the fridge, fruits, vegetables, dairy, etc. Papers. Old recipes. Instruction manuals, notes. Step 2. The Spark Joy Purge. Hold each item in your hands. Discard expired foods. Ruthlessly toss anything past its expiration date. Let go of unused items. If you haven't touched something in a year, or it's a just-in-case item you never use, it's time to let it go. Thank and release. Following Marie Kondo's philosophy, thank the item for its service before letting it go. This simple act can make the decluttering process easier. Consider upgrades. If you frequently use an item, but it no longer sparks joy, consider upgrading it to a new one that brings you more happiness when your budget allows. Step 3. Organize and store solutions. The art of vertical storage. One of Marie Kondo's most famous techniques is storing items vertically. Pantries and cabinets. Transfer dried goods, pasta, rice, flour, etc., into clear matching containers. This creates a more aesthetic look and makes inventory tracking a breeze. Pots and pans, store lids separately or use vertical organizers to save space. Drawers. Use drawer dividers, inserts, or small boxes to categorize and contain kitchen gadgets, spices, and other small items. Every item should have its own designated spot. Group by category. Keep similar items together. Example: all baking spices in one drawer, all baking supplies in one cabinet. Organize for your lifestyle. Place the items you use most frequently in the easiest to reach areas. Infrequently used items can go higher or in less accessible spots. Don't forget the fridge. Apply the same principles to your refrigerator. Store food vertically by category and make a habit of putting items back in the same place every time. Step 4. Minimize paper clutter. All those recipes, bills, and manuals in your kitchen, most of them aren't needed. Discard recipes you haven't made in a long time or information you can easily find online. For essential documents, create a small, dedicated filing system. Part 3. Tips for sustainable organization. A place for everything. Once you're done organizing, ensure every item has a designated home and make it a habit to put things back immediately after use. Regular review. Periodically review your kitchen items. Pay special attention to expiration dates for food. Share surplus. If you have excess food or items you won't use, donate them to local food banks or offer them to neighbors and friends. By embracing Marie Kondo's kitchen philosophy, you're not just creating physical order, but also a sense of calm and joy. Your time in the kitchen won't feel like a chore anymore. It will be an experience that truly sparks joy for you. I hope this script helps you create an amazing video. Let me know if you'd like any other adjustments or have more questions.